Maratha Empire, Season 3, Episode 6, Jinji, the new capital of Swaraj. In the previous episode, we followed Rajaram Maharaj on his remarkable journey from Maharashtra to Jinji Fort. While Aurangzeb was searching desperately for him in the Deccan, the Chhatrapati had already reached a fortress hundreds of kilometers away. For the Marathas, this was more than an escape. It was the beginning of a new chapter. The Jinji fort was one of the strongest forts in India, surrounded by massive hills and powerful fortification. It was extremely difficult to capture. Rajaram Maharaj understood that if Swaraj was to survive, it needed a secure base from where the war could continue. Soon, Jinji became the new capital of Swaraj. Orders were issued from the fort, commanders were appointed, and the plans were made to continue resisting the Mughal Empire. Though far from the Maharashtra, the spirit of Swaraj remained unchanged. Aurangzeb was furious. He had captured Raigad, but the Maratha kingdom was still functioning. Instead of ending the war, he now had to send a large Mughal force all the way to South India. The emperor believed that once Jinji fell, the struggle would finally end. But once again, he underestimated the determination of the Marathas. While the Mughals prepared to surround Jinji, Maratha commanders in Maharashtra launched continuous attacks on Mughal camps, supply routes, and forts. Aurangzeb now faced a war on two fronts, one in Maharashtra and another around Jinji. The Rajaram Maharaj had turned what seemed like a retreat into a brilliant strategic move. The battle for Swaraj was far from over. In fact, it was about to become even more challenging. And in the next episode, we will witness the rise of one of the fiercest Maratha commanders in history, Santaji Ghorpade, the warrior who became a nightmare for the Mughal Empire. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.